What's going on, guys? My name's Kyle. You have made it to Obsessed Auto. We're sitting inside of my 2005 GMC 1500. Gotta pause there at church, otherwise I will get in trouble. So, I am on my way currently to the bank, go pick up some cash. Don't mind the hot spots. This is all going away. I don't like this gauge face at all. So anyways, we're on our way right now to go pick up some cash from the ATM. There's a deal on Facebook Marketplace that just popped up and I absolutely cannot pass it up. Let's see, it's probably gonna be a facelift for this truck, in my opinion, for $35 whole. Going to pick up, I assume based off the price, probably just like Amazon special headlights. But they're the smoked markers, so it won't have any of the amber or anything like that. Yeah, I don't know. I've had probably a variation of this exact headlight on every single one of my Chevy trucks so far. It's only fitting that I have it on my GMC. I don't know how it's gonna look with the pewter color, but my best guess is it'll probably look fairly decent. So anyways, me and the chief, we're gonna get back to driving. I will show you guys what they look like right after I pick them up, and I'll show you the install. Stupid simple on these things. Stupid simple. No tools necessary, I don't think. No tools necessary. All right, I'll see you guys in a second. All right. Cash gotten. Seatbelt still not on. Don't wear those particularly usually. So $35 cash. Gonna follow the GPS to a little town outside of Wichita. It's about a 30-minute drive. So here's the deal. I got the headlights. They're in a headlight depot box, so that may be a good thing. I've never had experience with Headlight Depot. I always just get Amazon headlights. I mean, frick, I don't know. Get this thing open. So that's the style we're gonna go with. Just straight smoked and point you forward. As you can tell, I've got, I think these are LEDs. I've got LEDs in the low beams, fog lights, and I think I've got Silver Star Ultras in the high beams. But this truck, minus just routine maintenance items, is exactly as I bought it. I mean, the guy chopped the muffler off, no big deal, you know, this, that, and the other. Just a couple little things that he wanted to do to make it his, and now it's mine, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Thank you, Waze. So what's gonna happen is this video is gonna come out, and then you and I are gonna go on a inclusive walk around of this truck, get you acquainted to it, because it's gonna be mine for a while. I own it. It's mine free and clear, but it's my tow pig, and I've got a bug that I can't leave anything stock. So I've got a couple plans. I want to do just a baby cam. I don't know, probably like a Texas Speed 224R. Nothing crazy. I don't need anything massive. And then probably a set of long tubes and gears. Yeah, I do a lot of trailer pulling, so I think that those other things will be helpful. So anyways, I'm gonna get off here and focus on driving. See you guys when I get home. All right, so we made it back home. Yeah. There. All right, so we made it back home. Got the headlights right here. They appear to be pretty good shape. I think these look a little silly, but you know, whatever. Everything's all there. No gaskets. I don't know how I feel about that, but we're gonna grab The M12 rocket light, Milwaukee. Get it out here to the truck. I've got another part that I need to put in at the same time. There. Pigtail for the daytime running light on the driver's side needs done. I didn't want to do that until I got headlights. Turns out I'm gonna do it at like 10 o'clock at night on a Sunday. So thank you guys for sticking around. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. You know, 10 o'clock on a Sunday night, you guys relate to this kind of project? Got a nice little before right here. See running light, no running light. When I get done, that should be way different. It should be both of them on instead of just one. So anyways, I think I'm gonna set you up right here. Well, I guess first we can give you a little sneak peek of what we're doing. So to get the headlights out, got a pull pin. I like to set those up here so I don't lose them. And then kind of comes out. Let me get this disconnected. This side's LED. So yeah, how's about that? There's one. Nope, we're cheating. Freaking mosquitoes, man. Bingo. See, those things do come in handy. Right there, got the light out. I'll get the bulbs transferred here in a second. And then down here, what we need to do, you see that little tab right there? There's another one right here, right there. Just gonna push that to the side. It's gonna unlock the light. It's gonna come out, slide out of there. Bingo. This is literally like a 5-minute project doing these lights. So on the other side, I'll just set you guys on the tripod. That'll be that. So I'm gonna go get the other lights. I'm gonna get my pigtail. We're gonna get this thing fixed and see what it looks like. Got the daytime running light working. Did little cold solder deals. I don't know how I feel about them, but anyways, it's working. So we're gonna put this side on. So to bring you guys along for my ride, I had to pause my Spotify. Anyways, got both headlights, both marker lights in. The fitment on this side, I don't know, it's just not there. Over here, pretty good. Overall, night and day difference. I've got a few things to mess around with. Got this Suburban Z71, if you can even see that. And then I've got my GMC Sierra, you know, obviously same, just a little different. But I'm gonna harvest some parts off of the flip car for my truck to make it just a little bit more proper. So in my truck, I've got an airbag light on for the front crash sensors. Tons of videos on that, so I'm not gonna do anything unless I just make just a montage video. But those are gonna come off my truck, get swapped onto that, and vice versa. The evap vent solenoid up here, right there, that little booger, it's not throwing a code, it's doing what it's supposed to do, it's just making a lot of noise, and I don't like that. So we're gonna swap that out. Oh, the other thing is the steering wheel. So the steering wheel in my pickup, it's got a little bit of wear to it. See if I can show you. Got a little bit of wear right here, you know, just where people grab at 12 o'clock and try to hillbilly cruise. The Suburban does not have that, so I'm gonna take the wheel, swap it. Somebody's blowing an air horn. And I think that's it, unless something else pops up. But I've got the Suburban listed right now for well under market, and not really getting a whole lot of anything on it. So I was like, the heck with it, let's harvest some parts that I need for my truck. So anyways, got a little off the beaten path there, so I'm gonna turn that up just a touch. Now you guys can for sure see me. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Just a quick little light install on a GMT 800. Tons of these out there. Yeah, you guys like this video, slam that like button. You do like content like this, subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be plenty more of it. And as always, if you got something to say, leave a comment. Have a good day, guys.